dear student. Today we are starting our first chapter, Introduction of Accounting. What is accounting? Accounting means when a businessman record their business transaction properly, systematically in a proper book, it is called accounting in short. But in a proper definition, we can say that accounting is the systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information to the users. First thing, remember always only monetary transaction will be recorded in the books of account. And second thing, business and businessmen are separate. We record the transaction only for business, not for businessmen. हम अकाउंट्स बुक में ओनली बिजनेस के ट्रांजैक्शन एंटर करते हैं, बिजनेसमैन के नहीं. सेकेंड, ओनली मॉनेटरी एस्पेक्ट्स, ओनली फाइनेंशियल कैरेक्टर के जो ट्रांजैक्शन होते हैं उन्हीं को हम अकाउंटिंग में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज द सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting and communicating financial information to the users. Means जैसे ही बिजनेस में कोई ट्रांजैक्शन होगा, फर्स्ट वी आइडेंटिफाई द ट्रांजैक्शन. आइडेंटिफाई मीन्स इट इज रिकॉर्डेड और नॉट. आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बाद मेजरिंग मीन्स we will measure how much in terms of money this transaction. Third, when we measure the transaction in the form of money, then we will record the transaction in the books of account. Classifying, we will record the transaction first in primary book journal, and then after the journal we will classifying the transaction. Classifying the transaction means we will prepare ledger, we will prepare individual information of each and every transaction. It is called classifying. After that, summarizing. When we completed our ledger, after the ledger we will prepare trial balance. Trial balance means with the help of balance of ledger, prepare a list, debit balance recorded in debit side and credit balance recorded in credit side. And to know the arithmetic accuracy of ledger, we are preparing trial balance. After the trial balance, in process of summarizing, we will prepare trading account for gross profit and gross loss, and profit and loss account to know the net profit or net loss, and balance sheet to know the financial position of the business. After the summarizing, interpreting means we will analyze our result, we will analyze our performance of the whole year, and after that communicating financial information to the users. There are many internal and external users attached with our business. So they want to know the position of our business. So we will provide the information to users, internal user as well as external users. So last step of accounting is communicating financial information to the users. So the definition of accounting is systematic process of identifying, फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, मेजरिंग देन उसका मेजरमेंट करना है, रिकॉर्डिंग मेजरमेंट के बाद उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग प्राइमरी बुक जर्नल में करना है, देन क्लासिफाइंग जर्नल एंट्री करने के बाद हम उनके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हेड वाइज लेजर प्रिपेयर करेंगे, इट इज कॉल्ड क्लासिफाइंग, समराइजिंग मीन्स ट्रायल बैलेंस प्रिपेयर करना है टू नो द अर्थमेटिक एक्यूरेसी ऑफ लेजर, एंड trading account to know the gross profit or gross loss of business, profit and loss account to know the net profit or net loss of the business, and to know the financial position of business we will prepare balance sheet in the process of summarizing. After the preparation of final account, we will analyze our result, we will do comparison, इट इज कॉल्ड इंटरप्रेटिंग, एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग के बाद कम्युनिकेटिंग। बहुत सी पार्टियां हमारे बिजनेस से कनेक्टेड होती हैं, इंटरनल यूजर भी होते हैं, एक्सटर्नल यूजर भी। इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल यूजर हमारे बिजनेस की पोजीशन को जानना चाहते हैं। इंटरनल यूजर कौन है? जैसे हमारे एम्प्लॉय हैं, हमारे शेयर होल्डर हैं, हमारे जो है इन्वेस्टर हैं। और एक्सटर्नल यूजर कौन है? जो क्रेडिटर्स हैं, जो हमको क्रेडिट पर गुड्स सप्लाई करते हैं, हमारी बैंकर्स हैं जो हमको लोन प्रोवाइड करती हैं, अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन हैं जो लोन प्रोवाइड करती हैं बिजनेस ऑपरेट करने के लिए, और भी अदर पार्टीज हैं लाइक गवर्नमेंट जो है हम पर टैक्स लाइबिलिटीज जो है वो क्रिएट करती है अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन के थ्रू। तो लास्ट स्टेप ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज कम्युनिकेटिंग द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन टू एक्सटर्नल यूजर एंड इंटरनल यूजर। सो इट इज द अकाउंटिंग। ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करना, रिजल्ट फाइंड करना, और रिजल्ट फाइंड करके इंफॉर्मेशन यूजर को प्रोवाइड करना, इन शॉर्ट इट इज कॉल्ड अकाउंटिंग। Our next topic is process of accounting. In process of accounting, our first step is identification of financial transaction. Identification of financial transaction in event. Accounting record only those transaction and events which can be measured in terms of money. Accounting में वही transaction enter होंगे जो मनी में मेजरमेंट होते हैं। दिस इन्वॉल्व आइडेंटिफाइंग ट्रांजेक्शन एंड इवेंट दैट आर पार्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी। इनमें वही ट्रांजेक्शन इन्वॉल्व है जो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी के पार्ट हैं। सेकेंड स्टेप ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, मेजरिंग द ट्रांजेक्शन। Accounting measure the transaction and event in terms of common measurement unit, that is currency of a country. And third is recording. Recording means when we measure the transaction, accounting is an art of recording business transaction in the books of account. Recording is the process of recording business transaction of financial character in the book of original entry, that is journal. This book is further subdivided into subsidiary book. When business operated at large scale, then our primary book journal can be divided into different part. It is called subsidiary book. And when business operated in a small scale, then one journal solved the purpose of recording. So third step of accounting, recording the transaction. After the recording the transaction, we will prepare different head-wise information of each and every transaction, each and every account. So it is called classifying. After the classification, we will prepare trial balance to know the arithmetic accuracy of account. It is called summarizing. In summarizing process, also prepare trading account to know the gross profit or gross loss, profit and loss account to know the net profit or net loss of the business, and balance sheet to know the financial position of the business. So it is called summarizing. Analysis and interpretation. In analysis and interpretation of the financial data are carried out so that user of financial data can make a meaningful judgment of the profitability of financial position of the business. This help in planning for the future in the better way. Analysis and interpretation. In analysis and interpretation, the user of accounting information can find out the position of business, can find out the profitability of business, can find out the financial position of the business, and after that they decide in future they are invested or not. And communicating. After the completion all this step, last step of accounting is communicating. Communicating means जो users हैं, there are many user of accounting information, internal as well as external. So last step is communicate the information, the user of accounting information. Communicate the information to internal user and also external user. So this is the process of accounting. Now next topic is objectives of accounting. Objectives of accounting. The main objective of accounting: first, maintain accounting records. The objective of accounting is to record financial transaction and event of the organization in the books of account in a systematic manner following the principle of accountancy. Objective: why we prepare? What is the purpose of preparing the account? The first purpose of maintaining account: properly record the transaction in a systematic book following the principle of accounting. Second object: determining the profit or loss. To know the net profit or net loss, to know the gross profit or gross loss, we will prepare trading account, profit and loss account in accounting. So determining the profit or loss, we will maintain the account. By the help of accounting, we can get the information of our business: gross profit, gross loss, net profit, net loss. And third, determining financial position. In accounting, we will prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet give us information about financial position of our business, and also provide the information of assets and liabilities of the business. So to know the financial position of the business, we will prepare balance sheet in accounting. So accounting give us information about the financial position of the business, profitability of the business, and etc. Fourth, facilitating management. By the accounting, the management often require financial information for decision making, effective control, budgeting, and forecasting. Accounting provide financial information to assist the management in the discharging this function. Determining, facilitating management. Management means who operated business, who run the business. In management, manager and their subordinates included. So facilitated in management. Accounting information useful for management for making decision for future course of action. And also information of accounting facilitate to management for making budget for future for business. So making the budget, financial decisions and making other decision helpful the accounting information. For fifth point, providing accounting information to users. There are many users of business of accounting information. There are many parties connected to our business, internal and external. They want to know the position of business from time to time. So accounting provide information to users of accounting. And sixth point, protecting business assets. Protecting business assets, another objective of accounting is to have a record of assets owned by the business. Accounting maintain record the assets owned by the business, which enables the management to protect them and exercise control. By accounting information, we can get the information about how much assets in our business, and when we get the information of total assets of business, we can protect our assets, we can control on wastage of assets easily. So this is the objective of accounting: maintaining accounting record properly, determining profit and loss with the help of accounting, determining financial position with the help of accounting by making balance sheet, facilitating management to making decision for future and preparing the budget, and providing accounting information to user, external user as well as internal user, and protecting business assets. So this is the objective of accounting. Meaning of accounting: accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting and communicating the financial information to user. Process of accounting: first, identify the transaction; second, measuring into unit, common unit in currency; third, recording the transaction in primary book; fourth, preparation of ledger or different headwise information, it is called classifying; summarizing, preparation of trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, and find out the results; and analysis and interpretation means made the comparison, and communicating means provided information of accounting to user of accounting information. An objective: maintaining accounting record properly, to know the profit and loss, to know the financial position, to facilitate in management making decisions, and providing accounting information to the users, etc. are the objective of accounting.